guma.
dutegereje isibo y'abanyeshuri biga muri high school twagira ngo bafite mu nshingano rwose badufashe basimbuke. High school senior 3 and senior 6, we are still waiting for you. Bande mwadufasha mukajya kubazana. High school senior 3 and senior 6, we are still waiting for you. Hurry up. Bande mwadufasha mukajya kubazana isibo ya high school. w'amashuri yisumbuye cya kintu twita poroko mukomeza urabona ko asasikamu gatandukanye n'abana buriya nibwo bahisemo asasikamu mukomeza
niga mu cyiciro cya kabiri cy'incuke. Good morning, mwaramutse. In this morning, muri iki gitondo. In this morning, muri iki gitondo. You're going to let go. Ujya guhamagara Imana. We dance. Tubyina. God is going to do better things for us. Imana ijya kudukorera ibintu byiza. God is going to give us power. Imana ijya kuduha imbaraga. God is going to give us food. Imana ijya kuduha ibiryo. Everybody succeed in exam. Buri muranga ari butsinde ikizami. You shall not dance. Nutabyina. You shall not succeed in exam. Ntabwo uratsinda ikizami. Thank you. Murakoze. We are members from middle class. We are members from middle class. A poem about our school. My school is a beautiful school. My school is a simple school. It is not like other schools where children are treated like slaves. My school is the Minnesota Primary School where teachers are like And if our charity is not a choice of window, what are we waiting for? Dear parents, we promise never to disappoint you. May the Almighty God keep you blessed. Thank you. I'm a such foundation of the produce. Is that to me no primary, no secondary, no university? A teacher's parents give a strong foundation so that my building can be strong and firm. Thank you. Dear parents, this is Baby Grass. I have a poem about education. Education, 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 education. Education is the key to success. I can be a teacher. I can be a doctor. I can be a lawyer. My better future depends on education. Thank you. Our school is Wisdom Nursery and Primary School, and it is located in the Shangiro. Our motto is fearing God is knowledge. Our motto is fearing God is knowledge. My name is Avera Rujirabisha. I'm going to share with you the word of God. John chapter 15, verse 12 says, my command is this, love each other as I have loved you. Thank you. My name is Alinda Abiera. I'm going to sing for you. Prayer is the key. Prayer is the key. Prayer is the master key. Jesus started the prayer and ended the prayer. Prayer is the master key. I love Jesus. I love Jesus. He's my friend. He's my friend. I will never leave him. I will never leave him. He's my friend. He's my friend. I am a little bit. I didn't know everything. You are killing me. Thank you, teacher. So
Shimira tubinyujije kuri iyi ndirimbo yitwa mama wambyaye nzakwitura iki kugira ngo bibanyure. Bwiza bw'Imana se wiriweho, sanze umubyeyi wamaye byinshi, mama wambyaye nzakwitura iki ko wanyikundiye nkiri mutoya, inkoni zamba mubyeyi we, ko wamenyereje impuhwe nyinshi, mama wambyaye nzakwitura iki uranyikundiye nkiri mutoya nsanze umubyeyi anyihoreze ko nakubereye imfura mbi mama wambyaye nzakwitura iki umubyeyi ukwiye impundu mfite agahinda inimbirishe ubura amaso undore nkurore mama wambyaye nzakwitura iki uri umubyeyi urukundo uri umubyeyi urukundo urukundo
murakoze.
Thank you.
Mushyitsi mukuru mutwemereye nakwakira abagenzi.
Concerning this school of wisdom Musanzi, be blessed as you hear. Sandra, can you start?
Good afternoon to you all. I'm here with Ilagwa Nikita, Irakoze Rika Darlene, Abesashuru Ada Reila, Inesa Mwiserwa Janet, and Irakoze Nshimiye Larissa. And I am Kezando Isandra. We are here to present a poem which is all about thanking our teachers and our school. Be blessed as you hear. We stand here, we smile so bright today. 6 years have passed, it feels just right.
We came with ABC, now we can write.
We learn to count and do what's right.
Thanks God for strength and right.
Thank you, teachers, for day and night.
Thank you, parents, for all your care.
We graduate with the
The guest of honor, our beloved principal, our respected head teacher, dear teachers, loving parents and guardians, fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to you all. Good afternoon to you all once again. Today is a special day with the primary 6 class of 2025-2026. We stand before you as graduates. First, we thank God for bringing us this far. We thank our teachers for their patience, guidance, and extra lessons even we were tired. Special thanks to our director, Teacher Eri, for your vision and support. Thank you for ensuring that our school has everything we needed. We thank our parents for school fees, food, encouraging us to come to school, and prayers. Without you, this day would not be possible. 6 years ago, we came here when we were young, crying every morning, holding our parents' hands. Today, we are living when we are tall, old, confident, and ready for next step. We have laughed together, failed tests together, and celebrated success together. This school has been our second home. To our head teacher and parents, we promise to make you proud in PLE and in high school. We will be disciplined, hardworking, and honest. To primary 5, work hard now, listen to teachers, your exams will come fast. Start early and you will smile on your graduation day too. As we leave this school,
each of us has faced challenges that found strength that we never knew that we had. Today we stand proud and ready for the future. We all remember the nights of studies, the time of doubt, and the moment when giving up, which seemed never easy. But we kept going on step by step with courage and hope. Our teachers guided us with patience, and our family gave us love and support, and friends stood beside us, sharing happiness and tears. Those people helped us to become who we are today. This graduation is the proof that together we can overcome anything. Now, as we look ahead, the world is waiting for us with open doors. There will be new challenges, but new opportunities. We must carry the lesson of hard work and kindness into everything. Our dreams may feel far, but they are within us. Never fear mistakes, because they will teach us more than success alone. The future is bright and it belongs to us. So, as I conclude, my dear graduates, let us step forward with courage and hope. Let the past perish the present and embrace the future. We are stronger than we think and braver than we know. The world needs our ideas, our compassion, and our determination. Congratulations to Wisdom High School and the class of 2025-2026. Thanks to our teachers, parents, and all administration at large. May we shine whenever life takes us. Thanks for the time and the attention you gave to me. Let's celebrate and bring happy moments together. May God bless you all. Made on 28th June 2026.
Clap for them, clap for them. Clap for them, clap for them. Senior 6. Uriya was senior 3. Akurikiyeho senior 6.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, administration, teachers, parents, honorable guests, and my fellow graduates. May God bless you. My name is Rahid Gomnyana Benita, standing as the ambassador of the class of 2025-2026, Senior 6. Today, as we gather here for the graduation of the class of 2025-2026, we are beyond grateful to God for this amazing journey and all the lessons learned along the way. These past 3 years in A-Level have been very insightful, inspiring, and empowering. As we move forward into new beginning, we carry with us important values of resilience, kindness, determination, and courage. We take this time to express our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who helped us in this journey. Teacher Eli and his family, thank you for the guidance, the support, and for constantly reminding us that we have much greater potential in us than we think. We thank our teachers for unwavering dedication to helping us become our best versions through education, and we are sure that we'll make you proud one day. Our matrons, patrons, nurse, and the whole staff, God bless you for always looking out for us and genuinely invested in our well-being. A heartfelt thank you to our parents, families. Your trust, your support, and your prayers are what kept us going even on the hard days. We wouldn't have made it here without you. And finally, to my classmates, the real stars of the show. We did it, class. We did it. All the doubt, the countless hours in class, stressing over exams, laughing with friends, learning lessons both from books and life itself, and somehow, through all the ups and downs, we made it here and we should be proud of ourselves. Wherever life takes us next, may we continue to grow, to dream big, and to make a difference. Congratulations to the school administration, our dedicated teachers, and the class of 2025-2026. May God bless you. And also, shout out to my parents and my family. I love you guys so much. May God bless you.
Arakoze.
Turabasuza yemwe, turabasuza tubifurije amahoro, turabasuza n'ababyeyi bacu, turabasuza abarimu bacu, turabasuza yemwe, turabasuza tubifurije amahoro, turabasuza n'ababyeyi bacu turabasuhuza, abarimu bacu turabasuhuza. Yemwe turabasuhuza tubifurije amahoro, n'abasore bacu turabasuhuza, abagore bacu turabasuhuza. Yemwe turabasuhuza tubifurije amahoro, turabasuhuza, abagore bacu u Rwanda rw'ejo ruzamenya gusoma, u Rwanda rw'ejo ruzafatikara, mu Rwanda rw'ejo ruzatsura umubano, u Rwanda rw'ejo ruzahuriza amahanga, rwihandagaze ruhagaragaza ibyiza, rusoze neza. Iyenda bakunda ibiriye nanjye ninzanzarara nzataramana nande mu gitaramo, ayiye nanjye ninzanzarara nzataramana nande mama we, ayiye nanjye ninzanzarara nimutembere umanzi tutarame, ayiye nanjye ninzanzarara nzarara mbabonye tutarame, ayiye nanjye ninzanzarara. Guma. More warara, ye more we, more warara, ye more warara, ye more we, more warara, ye kana kamama nugire ngo ndakwa, ye nzagukamira mata imararungu, more warara, ye more we, more warara, imfizi yamugeni ugira mu gituza gituma nyikunda yanani yabagambanyi, more warara, ye more we, more Buja gitiza nigira gitari yanabuze bujyana, dore more warara, ye more we, more warara, ye more warara, ye more we, more warara, more warara, ye more we, more warara, ye more warara, ye more we, more warara. Nagamama nugire ngo ndakwanga nge nzagukamira mata imararungu, more warara, ye more we, more warara, more warara, ye more we, more warara, ye nagamama nugire ngo ndakwa nge nzagukamira mata imararu, more warara, ye more we, more warara, imfizi yanjye ivugira mu gituza gituma nyikunda yanani yabagambanyi, more warara. more more we more warara ye more 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 warara ye more 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 we more warara ye more 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 warara ye more 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 we more warara ye more 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 warara ye more more we more warara kanaga manugire ngo ndakwanga yitwa gukamira matai mararugu more 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 warara more 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 we more warara ye more 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 we more warara imfizi yanjye vugira mu gituza gituma nyikunda yanani yabagambanyi more 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 warara ye more 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 we more warara agasaza agashiramanga gasanze inkumi ryamye ati byukunyoza ibirenge urakozwa na Nyabarongo ayiwe Nyabarongo umugezi utemba ora mami horere none ora mami horere none ora mami horere none ora mami horere none sinarunzi uko inzara iryana nabibwiwe na nyina wundi narabwiriwe ndaburara mu gitondo ndabusubira nizirika